I wonder what the boss will say when he finds out we've won, Splatter. Yeah, Dodge, I'm thinking the same thing. Ferdinand is going to be proud of us. Hey, Bill. Yes, Ben? I can't wait for the competition to start. Me neither. Oh, Dougie, we better win. Aye, Donald. Bring it on for Scotland. Welcome to the strongest twin competition. Wait, where's Salty? Oh God, Mavis is the judge. I don't want any chickiness from you two. Wee-aye! Huh? Sorry, I'm late. But anyways, whoever wins this round will be the strongest twin. First, one engine from each team will go first. Then in the second round, Salty, can I have a word with you? I'm getting confused about the rules. Oh, Mavis, why would you be the judge when you don't even know the rules? You see? Oh, I'm getting confused too. Now gonna forget about the whole competition. Hey, I heard that. Right, let's think of it. Eventually. Well, the rules are simple. First, 2 teams will go at a time. That will be for the first round, and in the second round, one engine from each team will be going on to fight with a different team. And then, whoever wins in the second round will be the strongest twin engine. Well, let's start. A few moments later. First, it's Splatter Dodge against Donald and Douglas. Ready, steady, go! Dougie, are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. The track's broken. I'm going to get Harvey. When Mavis and Harvey got there. Job done. Thanks for bringing me, Mavis. No problem. Keep pushing, Dodge. I can't. My boiler snapped. You don't have a boiler. Well, my diesel fuel snapped. We better start again. This is difficult. Uh-oh, look at me. Will you stop talking, Dodge? Or not again. Dougie! Dougie! Nah. I'm putting my brakes on. Your brakes on? Ugh. Well, Salty, over here, please. It's clearly obvious both Splatter and Dodge have crashed. Donald is still on the track, so he and Douglas go through. A couple of seconds later, it's Bash and Dash against Ben and Ben. Ready, steady, go! Come on, Bash, keep pushing. I'm trying. Oh no, Bill, we're losing. Are you sure about that? Because those two are losing too. This is a really strange competition. Ah! Bill, I'm slipping. I'm slipping too. Dash! Dash! Ah! Babies? Who wins? It was Bash and Dash. Because you see, Bill and Ben fell off the tracks first. Then Bash and Dash came second. So they're gonna go through. Yay! When they all got back up. So first, it'll be the losers who go first. Which one of you wants to go first? Well, I don't know. Splatter, 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 splatter. Dodge. Very well. Splatter. Up you go. Oh, fine. Bill, you go first. No, you, Ben. Bill, Ben, Bill, Ben, Bill, Ben. Right, let's settle it. I'm going to bomb one of you, and whoever falls on the side first will go first. Wait, Salty! After he tried again. Ha! Ben, you go. Aww. It's Ben versus Dodge. Ready, steady, go. Ow. Come on, Dodge, what are you doing? What do you mean what am I doing? You're supposed to get down and help me. Actually, Splatter, it's actually the single round, remember? Oh. I just want him to get moving. Uh-oh. Maybe nudging him wasn't a good idea. I need to keep pushing. Oh. You want to keep pushing? How about I keep pushing? Yeah! No, you're gonna get pushed. Uh-oh. You're gonna get pushed. Oh, no! You're gonna get pushed. Oi! You're gonna get pushed. Whoa! Well, Splatter won that one easily. A couple minutes later. See you back at the clay pits, Ben. If only. Ready, Dodge. Well, okay. Tell the boss that we're gonna win, Splatter. Okay. It's Dodge against Bill. Ready, steady, go. Come on, Dodge, I believe you. Oh, I wish Ben was here. I got an idea. Wait, what? Hey, don't biff me! I'll biff you! No, I'll biff you! Oh, this is much more easier. I don't think so! Oh, yeah? Ah! Ah! Whoa! Well done, Bill! After Dodge was put upright. I can't believe you, Dodge! Who's going first? I will! Huh? Oh, damn. Who cares about that piece of track? I'm leaving. Ow! Dodge! Sorry. Bye. The boss is gonna be angry. Who wants to go first? I will. Okay, Donald. It is Bash against Donald. Mavis, that wee track's coming apart. Oh, don't worry, we'll get it fixed another time. So, anyways, ready, steady, go. Yes! This is going to be awesome. Keep going, Bash, keep going. Go on, Donald. Thanks, Dougie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, my tender's hanging off. Eventually. Go look, Dougie. Thanks, Donald. Wish me luck, Bash. It's Dash against Douglas. Ready, steady, go! I'm stronger than you. I'm in better condition. Oh yeah, I might have been used more, but I'm still more powerful. You know I can speak in an American accent now. I've been doing loads of different classes. You think that's gonna distract me? I don't think so. Ah! I'm going back to Misty Island to tell Ferdinand the news. Watch where you're going, Dash! Into the next race, it's Bill versus Splatter. Ready, steady, go! Oh no! He's too powerful! Yeah, right, I'm too powerful. Look at my side rods. Oh yeah, my side rods can actually move. Now move, you! I don't think so! Ah! The boss isn't gonna be happy. Now, entering the next round, we have Douglas and Bash. Ready, steady, go. Ah! Donald will be proud of me. Oh yeah? I may be running on oil and logs, but I'm more powerful than you. Just ask Ferdinand. Well, he's not here. So, point. We've entered the final round. We have Douglas against Bill. Ready, steady, go! Yes! And the winner of the strongest twin engine competition is Bill! Oh yeah! Ben will be so happy with me. Thanks for watching, everybody. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, hot potato.